Hey everyone, my name is Mike. Welcome to my channel. Here I mostly focus on family trips, projects that I'm working on, things that I am hyper fixated on, and right now that is this, converting a 300 square foot workshop behind our short-term rental into an on-site spa. So we're moving along pretty well. This is a hand-built concrete tub that's going to become a hot soaking tub, so it'll be unjetted. And then behind me, that framed out room is going to be a 12 foot by 8 foot sauna with a 12 kilowatt heater. So really what we're trying to do here is behind our short-term rental, create a space where friends and family have a very unique experience to bond. I think that there are certain things that cultures use, food, music, art, and I'd also include bathing culture in there as a pastime, as an experience that many cultures use to come together and bond. And that's what we're trying to do here. With our short-term rentals, we're trying to curate an experience for friends and families, especially those who are geographically separated, to really come together and have a shared experience and build some really cool memories. My wife and I have had the opportunity to travel the world, and then when our daughters were born, we've been able to travel with them as well, go overseas, stateside, and I think it's created some really unique opportunities and experiences for us to grow as a family and to make some really solid memories. And this is really drawing from a lot of those experiences. When we went to Japan, we were able to experience Sento and onsen, and this is reminiscent of that. This tub is going to be influenced by that culture. And then, the Finnish style redwood sauna that's going to be behind me. So really just, especially because we're in the Texas Hill Country, and this is wine country, a place where friends and family can come for birthdays, weddings, holidays, and put away their phones, look each other in the eye, and just relax together. And so that's really the intent here. We've been working on this project for a few weeks now. We were delayed in early January due to a couple of factors, so now we're trying to splice it in between guests. But we've got the tub stacked. Next up, it needs to be coated with a waterproofing membrane. It needs to have an epoxy paint applied over it, and then we're going to come over and tile. The spa components, the heater, the filter, the pump, are all going to be located outside in their own little building. The sauna behind me needs to have power roughed in. It's started, it's not completed yet. Then we're going to add insulation, vapor barrier, redwood tongue and groove boards up horizontally laid on each wall and ceiling. Then the benches will come in, and it'll have 2 windows and a glass door. And then this space over here is going to be an open meeting space, an open living space. Probably put some comfortable chairs or something in the back there, someplace just to lounge. And I'm really excited to see it coming together. This has been a vision of mine for quite some time, and to see it come to life is very exciting for me. Huge thank you to Mike and Jill Elefante for starting my family down this Airbnb, VRBO style short-term rental path. Mike and Jill really forged that path for us. Mike's got a fantastic course that really goes through the entire life cycle of setting up your own short-term rental. He's got tools included, how to navigate the different markets, how to choose a property, how to furnish it, how to assemble your cleaning and your maintenance team, and then how to manage it from remote. So I'll post a link to his course down below. If you choose to sign up, please note that I do receive a small commission for it, but I would appreciate it as it helps me fund this channel and some of these other projects. Next up, I'd like to thank Gene from custombuiltspas.com wrote a great write-up on how to build your own cinder block hot tub. And when we were exploring different options, originally we were intending to do a cedar wood tub, a circular cedar wood tub, and for many reasons we decided that wasn't the right path for us, and I'm really excited to see the way that this is going. We had to make some design modifications because we're working within a confined space in a pre-existing structure, but the material that Gene published and then also the parts that he sourced for us are exactly what we need. And I wouldn't say the process has been easy, but it's been straightforward, and so it's been a great learning opportunity. So thank you again to Gene for publishing that and also being there for answering all of my questions that I've been peppering you with. Next up, I'd like to thank the team at Steam Sauna Bath for supplying the heater that's going to go into the sauna. Finally, I'd like to thank Paul and team from Home Sauna Kits since 1974.com for supplying the material that's going to go inside the sauna. So we have about 500 pounds of tongue and groove redwood, and also 2x4s and 2x6s, and that's going to make up the entire interior cladding, the vapor barrier, the benches, the door, both windows, and all 4 lights. Thank you for being so responsive and working with me on this timeline. So thank you again. So if you're interested, please feel free to join along as I complete my on-site spa. I'll be posting videos from where we started to where we are today, and then continuing through from here all the way through completion and relaunching our on-site spa. So thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.